Hello dear, welcome to your favorite channel. Here we give you premium gist and news making the headline. If you are new, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button.
Guys, no be small thing. As it stands so like this, all the Marlians for Lagos don't they troop, they go Naira Marley house. And that's not the only thing. The thing that really marveled me is that they are all bringing their dogs to Naira Marley house. There was a viral video where Naira Marley actually posted where he was feeding all his dogs with chicken. Seriously, they don't decide, say they want to donate their dog to Naira Marley, so Naira Marley going to take care of her. It's a really funny video, and it's Naira Marley that actually posted the video across his Instagram account. I'll just let you all to watch and then what you think via the comment section. I really appreciate you all for watching, and for those of you that love dog, tell me what you think, guys. I'll be right in the comment section waiting to reply to your comment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all again in another of my video.